Good morning, children. Today we are going to do the question answers of Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Do you remember the story of Goldilocks and the Three Bears? Yes. Who was Goldilocks? She was living in a house near forest, and she saw a cottage, and she went inside the cottage in the forest, and nobody was there in the cottage, but she found the house very neat and clean. Then she saw a round table. On the round table there were three bowls of porridge. Big big bowl it was, then middle, and then tiny bowl. There were three different sizes of bowls were there on the round table. So the Goldilocks, what she did? She tasted from all the three bowls. First she tasted the porridge from big bowl. So it was very hot. From the middle bowl it was very cold. And the tiny bowl which was kept on the table full of porridge was exactly the same taste which she liked. So she ate up all the porridge from that tiny bowl. Now, next what happens after having the porridge? Usually you also feel sleepy, right? When you have food in the afternoon, heavy lunch. So she planned to take a rest. So she walked near the bedroom. So she saw three beds were there in the bedroom. A big bed was there. But she did not like that bed because it was a little bit hard. It was not comfortable for her. Then she slept on the middle bed. It was soft. And the third bed, which was of tiny bear, it was very soft and very nice. So she slept on that bed. After some time, the bear family had a walk in the forest and returned back to their cottage. Looking at the table, when they entered in the room, they saw that something is there missing, and on the table they saw. Who saw first? The Papa Bear. Papa Bear saw that somebody has eaten porridge from his bowl, so he became very angry. Even Mama Bear also saw. She said that somebody has eaten from my bowl too. And the tiny little baby bear, he literally cried out, okay, my porridge is missing. Somebody has eaten up all the porridge. Then they went to the bedroom side. Papa Bear again grumbled. Again he got angry. He said in a loud voice, somebody has slept on my bed. Even Mama Bear also said, somebody slept on my bed. And the tiny little baby bear shouted only, somebody is sleeping on my bed. Hearing to the noise, the Goldilocks got up. She, looking at them, she got scared. And she just jumped from the bed and she ran away from the cottage. Usually, if you see someone standing in front of you when you are fast asleep and when you get up suddenly, so you get scared, right? So, same with Goldilocks it was. She was too much scared looking at all the three bears, Papa Bear, Mama Bear, and Baby Bear. And she just went away. Now we'll do the question answer. Answer the following questions. Who lived in the cottage in the forest? A bear family lived in the cottage in the forest. Who lived in the cottage in the forest? A bear family, right? A bear family lived in the cottage in the forest. What did Goldilocks see on the table? Goldilocks saw three bowls of porridge on the table. What did Goldilocks see? Goldilocks saw, what did she see? She saw three bowls of porridge on the table. Why did she eat up all the porridge from the baby bear's bowl? Why did she, means who? Goldilocks. Why did she eat up all the porridge from the baby bear's bowl? Answer. She ate all up the porridge from the baby bear's bowl as it was just right for her to eat. Goldilocks ate all the porridge from the baby bear. उसने सब porridge क्यों खा लिया baby bear के बोल में से? क्यों? Why? Because it was just right for her. उसको बहुत ही टेस्टी लगा baby bear के बोल का porridge. तो उसने तुरंत ही वो खा लिया और फिनिश कर दिया. Whose bed did Goldilocks sleep in and why? Goldilocks किसके बेड में सोई और क्यों? Goldilocks slept in the baby bear's bed because the tiny bed was just right for her to sleep. Goldilocks slept in the baby bear's bed. Goldilocks किसके बेड में सोई? बेबी बेर के. क्यों? क्योंकि टाइनी बेड था और उसको बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल, बहुत ही आराम सा लगा, इसलिए वो बेड पे तुरंत ही वो सो गई. Now we will do once again. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Who lived in the cottage in the forest? A baby bear family lived in the cottage in the forest. What did Goldilocks see on the table? Goldilocks saw 3 bowls of porridge on the table. Why did she eat up all the porridge from the baby bear's bowl? She ate up all the porridge from the baby bear's bowl because it was just right for her to eat. As it was just right for her to eat. Whose bed did Goldilocks sleep in and why? Goldilocks slept in the baby bear's bed because the tiny bed was just right for her to sleep. Because the tiny bed was just right for her to sleep. Okay, children, complete this exercise in your English notebook with neat and good handwriting. Thank you.